In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export several pages as a PDF in Figma. This is an incredibly useful feature when you need to share a series of design screens, an entire presentation, or a comprehensive document with clients, stakeholders, or team members, all neatly packaged into a single, professional PDF file. We'll walk through the process step by step to ensure your export is exactly as you envision it. In Figma, your designs are organized into frames. These could be individual screens of an application, different sections of a website layout, or even separate artboards for a pitch deck. The first crucial step is to select all the specific frames you wish to include in your final PDF document. You can do this efficiently by holding down the Shift key and clicking on each individual frame you want to select, or by simply clicking and dragging your mouse to create a selection box that encompasses all of your desired frames. Once your selection is complete, you'll need to copy these chosen frames. The quickest way is to use the standard keyboard shortcut, which is Command-C on a Mac or Control-C on a Windows computer. Alternatively, you can right-click on any of the selected frames and choose Copy from the contextual menu that appears. This action prepares your frames for the next stage of our export process. Now here's a clever technique that ensures only your chosen frames are exported as a single, cohesive PDF, without including any extraneous design elements or pages from your larger Figma file. Figma's Export Frames to PDF feature typically processes all frames present on the active page. To gain precise control and avoid exporting an entire file with many irrelevant pages, we'll create a temporary staging area. Navigate to the Pages panel, which is usually located on the left sidebar of your Figma interface. Here, you'll want to create a brand new blank page. Look for the plus icon or the Add New Page option and click it. Once this fresh, empty canvas is ready, simply paste the frames you copied earlier onto it. Again, you can use Command-V on Mac or Control-V on Windows, or right-click and select Paste. A vital tip here: as you paste and position these frames, arrange them on this new page in the exact sequence you want them to appear in your final PDF. Figma will typically export them in order, usually from top to bottom, then left to right, so organizing them visually on this temporary page is key to a well-structured document. With your chosen frames now neatly arranged on their dedicated export page, the hard work of preparation is complete. The next step is straightforward. Go to the very top left corner of your Figma window and locate the File menu. Click on it to reveal a comprehensive drop-down list of various options. Within this menu, you will find the specific command we need for our export. Look for and click on the option that clearly states Export Frames to PDF. This is the function that will consolidate all the frames on your currently active page into one unified PDF file. After you click Export Frames to PDF, a system dialog box will typically appear, prompting you to choose a location on your computer where you'd like to save your new PDF document. You'll also be able to give your PDF a descriptive and easily recognizable file name. Take a moment to name it clearly and choose a location where you can easily find it later. Once you've confirmed your preferences and clicked Save, Figma will process your selected frames and compile them into a beautiful multi-page PDF document, ready for sharing, presenting, or archiving. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully exported multiple Figma frames as a single PDF file,